Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Tech and Cryptos. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to get the Perplexity AI extension for our Chrome browser. Now let us begin. Well, do note that in order to simply get the extension, you do not need to be signed in. This right here is the interface. Now let's simply look at how to get the Perplexity AI extension. At the bottom left, you can see a button like this that says download. It is just next to Twitter and Discord. Click on it right now. Then this thing will open up. From here, you are gonna be provided the links to the iOS app, Android app, Chrome default search app, and finally, the extension. Click on it right now. Then a new page will open up, redirecting you to the Chrome web store. From here, as you can see, this is the Perplexity AI extension that we are looking for. Let us simply click on Add to Chrome and just give our confirmation. And guys, that is it. That's how we add the Perplexity AI extension on your Chrome browser. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.